Stop scrolling. This is how people are getting millions of views with short videos without editing anything. Instead of spending hours writing, finding clips, or cutting videos, I use one tool that creates viral TikTok and YouTube shorts in a single click. You can make motivational videos, fun facts, horror-style content, or any trending format just by pasting a script, and the AI builds the entire video for you automatically. Channels using this exact method are blowing up right now in one of the most profitable short-form niches. The tool is called Genie Edit, and the link is in the description. Once you click on the link and log in, you'll see the main interface of the tool. From this dashboard, you can upload videos directly to Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. You can choose from many trending niches like history, scary stories, motivational content, or fun facts, categories that get millions and millions of views. To begin, just click Get Started. After you sign up and log in, the main dashboard will appear. This is your control center. On the side, you'll see options like Assets, where all your created videos are stored, and Schedule, where you can manage uploads. In the AI Shorts section, you first choose a topic. There are many available topics like viral, horror, motivational, and more. After selecting a topic, you can paste your own script, choose a style, and generate the video easily. I'll show you the complete process step by step. Before that, you can also connect your social media accounts here. So once your video is ready, it can be scheduled and uploaded automatically to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and Facebook. As an example, I'll show you how to create a final scary story short video like this. This type of horror content is going viral right now on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and creators are getting millions and millions of views using this exact format. So to make this type of viral horror video, we start with ChatGPT. I'll share the exact prompt I use. Check the link in the description below. I'll copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and within seconds, it gives me a ready-to-use short-form script. I then take this script over to Genie Edit, go to the AI Shorts section, and all you have to do is pick your topic here. If you want a motivational video, select that. A fun fact? Select that. For a scary story, choose that option. For this, I'll select Scary Story. After that, you move to the video script section. Here, you paste the script that ChatGPT wrote for you. Once pasted, you can choose any visual style you like: horror style, AI style, Minecraft, Surface Service, GTA 5, and more. Right now, I'll select the horror style and scroll down. You'll see many premium voiceover options available: male, female, natural voices. So you can preview and choose the perfect voiceover for your video. After selecting one, just click Apply. Overall, your video is now ready to generate. On the right side, you'll see the Generate Video option. Simply click on it. Perfect. Your video is now generating. As you can see, it typically takes just 2 to 3 minutes. And just like that, our high-quality, viral-ready video is complete. Once it's finished, you can download it immediately and select the Download button. It's that easy to get your finished short video file. Perfect. Let's create a game-style video with the same script. For example, if your video is a scary story, but you want it to feature other images or be in a game style, the process is the same. You take your script, paste it into the same script box in Genie Edit. But this time, in the video style section, you choose a game theme instead. You can select from options like Minecraft, Subway Surface, GTA, and others. I'll select Minecraft. After that, you click the Generate button. Now your same scary story will be told with Minecraft gameplay running in the background. The game plays while the story narrates. The video will be generated and ready in minutes. This creates a very interesting and engaging style that also performs incredibly well. If you want your videos to be published automatically on your social media, you first need to connect your accounts. You can link YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook directly in the tool. Once connected, click the refresh button to make sure everything is synced. After that, your accounts are ready for automatic uploads.
After that, the real magic begins with automation. Instead of manually uploading or scheduling, you can create unlimited automations. Set your topic, paste your script, choose your video style and voice, and let the system handle everything.
And then enable the Create Automation option. Here you can set the exact time and date for the video to be published, and even plan months ahead if needed. After setting everything, click Create Automation, then click Generate Video.
Once set, you never have to touch the system again. Your videos will keep posting on autopilot while you focus on creating more content. After your automations are active, you can go to your dashboard to see all your videos, track performance, and manage your workflow. This makes it incredibly easy to grow your social media without manually creating or uploading each video. The tool I use for this is jennyedit.com. Link in the description below. It's high quality, affordable. The paid plans let you create 20, 60, or even 400 AI shorts depending on the plan, all while running fully automated. This way, you can generate unlimited shorts, set unlimited automations, and never touch the system again, growing your channels effortlessly. Now let's preview a final short video we created to see the result in action.
New parents often say baby monitors pick up strange sounds, but this one was different. At 2:17 a.m., the monitor crackled to life. A soft voice whispered, "Mom, help me." She froze. Their baby was only 6 months old, too young to speak. Her husband checked the nursery. The baby was asleep. Peaceful. Breathing normally. They blamed interference, until the next night.